In this video, we are doing, finally, had to use a pair of pliers to take it off. You want to get these, the ones that you can adjust. So I already did everything, just put off the drain, the radiator. This is the hose to it, so it won't overflow here, and I can just pop this out. Damn, I slightly put it in there, now it's hard to take out. Oh shoot, dropped it. Well, it's okay. It needs to be new anyways. It had a lot of crud in it. Check it out. No wonder it wasn't turning on. Because right now it wasn't turning on. So I want to put the new one in. This is the part number, guys, if you guys want to know. And the ring, it looks like this. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in right now. So that's the new one. It's not a, I guess it's a Ford brand, but it doesn't really say Ford on there. It's made in Brazil, but yeah. Maybe I'm gonna clean it right there with a rag around real quick. All right, guys. So this is what it looks like, taking off the ring. The new one's just put on. I'm just gonna put the ring around it. I'm gonna put it upwards like this, not like this, because it was like this, and I had to put WD-40 and spin it this way, all the way around left, so I can get it upwards like this and pop it out. So I'm gonna put it upwards like that. I'm gonna pause you because don't got no tripod right now. Make sure it's on there. Looks like it is. Okay, and that's it. I'm gonna get the hose. Yep, it's on there. All right. Now I'm gonna get the hose. You gotta be careful with all these wires. Face this towards me. Alright guys, I'm gonna tighten that, and that's what I'm gonna do for today. Actually, I'm also gonna film the crankshaft sensor. I'm gonna wire that in, put it on. I'm gonna do a video on that one too, guys. So I'm gonna have and tighten the lines on the transmission. I had to buy a special tool. I think it's called a crow's foot or something like that. I don't know what it's called, but I'm gonna show you. And yeah, I'm gonna make 3 different ones so I can have 3 different videos to show you guys on what I'm doing. So thanks for watching, guys. Peace.